Welcome to the CryptoNest. So let's talk about Avalanche, AVAX. So AVAX, as you can see, if you zoom out a little bit, since the beginning, when he got released, he went on the side, and after that he had very nice impulsive movement, very nice corrective movement, and one super skyrocketing movement to the upside. Unfortunately, we can just count three waves, right? This is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. Actually, let me put it with the brush so it's easier to follow. This is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. Now we went down. So the top was about November 2021, and as you can see, now it depends how you can interpret the waves. It doesn't really matter. You could say maybe this is the 1A overshooting wave B and the C. This is the third. Now the fourth one, questionable. I mean, it could be just this the fourth, or this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, and now we're doing the fifth wave here. So this is another way to read the chart maybe. For the moment also, if we once again zoom out from the beginning of the movement to the top, the Fibonacci retracement, it's here. As you can see, it's not looking very good. Actually, it starts to look very bad for Avalanche, because here in the orange line here was the 0.886, and unfortunately now we did lost even that level, so we're dangerously approaching from the starting point, which is still far, because it's $3.14 or $3.15 to round it up. So we still have much room to go, but it's not looking good, unfortunately. Also, we are making like other altcoins, or few altcoins, they already made their lower low. For example, Matic, I would be surprised if it is going to make a new lower low, but Avalanche today, it's making a new lower low. So it's downtrend big time. And now, okay, the pattern that we can see here, if this was really the wave B, then you see here I was being a little bit bullish, because I said maybe no, this is a nice impulsive movement, maybe this could be already the first wave one, but because we went, take back the brush again, so this was the beginning of the wave, but then now because we went lower the beginning of this point here, well, the wave one has to be invalidated, and so we need to start back from scratch, and unfortunately say that the corrective movement is not done. So now we are doing also, if you follow the blue lines, another time, what we did here, descending triangle, and usually this is a bullish, and as you can see, this was even more steep, and you can see that how it break out, right? It was very impulsive, and then very strong impulsive movement to the upside. I am expecting something similar here as well, so let's see when it's going to happen. Now if I take some indicators, you can see that we are having a bullish divergence on the RSI, because as you can see, we're going slightly up, and price is continuing to go down. So this gives us an indication that something could happen. Also, price still could continue to go down, but then the RSI is on the side and stay or fight to stay on the positive, barely, but positive. So that's another sign. For full disclosure, I do have AVAX, and I did buy some yesterday. I had some some USD still on my BINANCE, so I did some last day shopping, because I believe yesterday was the last day, or maybe it's today, but I didn't want to risk it. So I did my purchase, and after that I I transferred them out from Binance, so now I'm officially, you know, my Binance account is only left, I think, $100. I only have the ICP shares, crypto coins, and yeah, I'm having a little bit. I need to do a research how to transfer them to a hot wallet maybe, because ICP, you know, I did some research and even a Trust wallet doesn't support them, so need to do some research about that. But you know, let's remember, it's not very a worry, because you can still transfer anytime you want up to the end of December, and I believe it's the 23rd or 26th of December that if you still own some crypto, they're going to sell market, and you just transfer everything in USD, but you will still be able to withdraw your money. So this, yeah. So to recap, you know, is it a good time to invest in AVAX? Well, there is no, even though we're having bullish divergence on the RSI, it can still continue to go lower. We are making history now with our lower low of this bigger corrective wave 2. So it can go much lower. It can even, you know, invalidate the whole thing and go below $3.14. Hopefully it's not going to do that, but at one certain point also, no, I'm not going to, this is, the percentage I'm investing in AVAX is very minimal, so I am aware that, you know, the risk here, it's highly risk, so, and we already lost the 0.886, so this, if you ever decide to get in, you need to be aware of that. For sure, this is not financial advice, but I find that this blockchain has a lot of potential. It does something in life, so it has a purpose in life, and I believe that it's going to do well in the next bull market. But I guess we will talk about it once again in 1 year and see if I was right. Alright, so this is all for Avalanche for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and have a good week.